All right, here it is. This is the info we're looking for right there. And it's also right here, and we are going to dive into it. It is not on NHTSA's site right now. There's nothing there that's changing, and so we don't have any of those kind of details. But based on, the recall, NHTSA has not updated anything. I've been watching it all day. Apparently, I suck at finding information because these guys found it before I did. TRD John found it. Earlier, he's got the statement, but he's also got those inside connections, so should we know that right here. And apparently, Motor One found it and it wrote an article about it at 5:30 today. But the point we are talking about is finally there's a decision, and Toyota is going to replace all of the engines, okay? For all involved vehicles, Toyota and Lexus dealers will replace the engine with a new one at no cost to customers. Customers will be notified about this issue by late July 2024. This, you got to go watch a video on TRD John's site. I'm not playing his video. It's not right or fair for me to play his video. I can send you to it, and that's what I'm doing. I say you should go check it out. We will see what the details say in this article. I've not read it yet, but we will see. But the only fix is a new engine, okay? And that is what they are going to do. This says right here, Toyota is stepping up for the 2022-2023 Tundra Lexus owners in May. Automaker issued a recall for the Tundra and the LX600 vehicles, twin-turbo V6. A fix was not available at the time, but now it seems there is no fix aside from just replacing the engine, and that's what Toyota will do. The recall affects 102,000 trucks, 98 Tundras, and 3,500 Lexus. The problem is debris. We know that, blah, blah, blah. And the debris in the engine is bad. You can probably guess this is bad enough to cause the main bearings and the crankshaft to fail. If this happens while you're cruising down a highway, it can leave okay, blah, blah. We know that. Fortunately, Toyota is not aware of any injuries related to the problem, but the real document shows 824 engine warranty claims that could relate to this issue. So for those people that were like, oh, it's only been like 10 engines that went down. Well, it's actually showing right here, 824 of them so far. When this recall was issued, Toyota stated a remedy is being investigated. Now updated statement says Toyota will replace the engines for all involved vehicles. That is impressive. Catch this right here. For all involved vehicles. Okay, that is not just, they're not just going to do this as, they're going to inspect it and replace the bad ones. According to what this statement says, Toyota will replace the engine for all involved vehicles at no charge to the owners. The recall applies to Tundras built between November 2021 and February 13th, 2023. Keep that in mind. For Lexus 600s, it's from July 21st, or July 30th, 2021 through November 15th, 2022. Toyota will contact you guys directly by the end of July and let you know. Now, we have not heard anything on what warranties are going to be offered. I'm sure that stuff's still in the works and logistics is there, but the key thing is new motor, new crate engine coming. They are working on the logistics. What we were hoping was legit, that they pushed it off till the last quarter. Now, you're probably not going to get this fixed until October, November, or December, last quarter of the year is when this is going to happen. They're going to have to replace 100,000 of these with new motors, is what they're saying. Remember that statement right here. It said Toyota will replace the engine for all involved vehicles. So they're going to replace, according to this, 100,000 brand new motors in these ones coming out of a crate, going right in, sweet, simple, and easy. We'll have to wait and figure out what warranty is and how that's going to pan out for you. But Toyota has stepped up to the plate on this recall. They are making it right. They are doing it right. Thank God. And this, believe me, this is not like Toyota to do this, okay? If you read every comment on every video that I've had out about this thing, all you hear is Toyota doesn't do long blocks, Toyota doesn't do full engines, Toyota doesn't have the capability of doing crate motors, all they can ever do is a short block, all Toyota will ever do is a short block. Well, maybe, hopefully these videos have helped stem that, not just mine, but everybody that's out there that is pissed about this. And again, this is not a $25,000 truck with a little V6, or a little four banger naturally aspirated, where it's an easy fix to rip this thing apart and put it back together. This is one of the most complex engines ever made in history, and for Toyota, the complexity level of this motor is miles above. Toyota doesn't play with stuff like this in trucks. This is all new world for them and for their techs, and it's too much to do. And Toyota realize that. They're stepping up. They want their customers happy. They are doing the right thing. This is a huge step in the right direction from a company that does a lot of pissing me off and has for a long time here. Like I said, there was a time I owned 4 Toyotas in my driveway. Now I only have 2 in my name. One in my driveway, which is our 4Runner, and then I also have my name is on my dad's Sienna minivan. So technically I have 2 Toyotas still in my name. But like I said, you know, this is good news. This is very good. Now, I would expect this is going to expand. So if you have a 2024, say we know the dates here, between February 13th, 2023, the only reason that this won't expand to you, because we have heard of some 2024 is going down, is if more start going down or more problems start happening, Toyota they're going to understand that's going to happen. They will probably include that into the recall, and if they don't, there'll be an easy option for lawsuits or whatever that people will do that will get them included in there. So the good takeaway from this is Toyota is stepping up to the plate. You are all getting taken care of. You are getting taken care of the right way. This is what we hoped to see. This is what we were after, and Toyota is making it happen. So we'll keep you more information when we have it and let you know what's happening. Anything more I learn about it, I will definitely tell you about. But finally, this is a light at the end of the tunnel and good news. Downside is it's going to be 3-4 months before you probably get it done, but it's going to be done right, and it's going to be taken care of. So hats off to Toyota for this one. I mean, again, companies like Ford and Chevy, and you know, I mean, for them, it's much easier for them to make this motor happen. They build crate motors. They do these kind of things. They've done this in the past before. For Toyota, this is way out of their element. Okay, and for them to actually go this far and do this the right way like this is huge. Hats off to Toyota. Well done. Thanks for watching. Put your comments down below, and I'll keep you posted on anything more I find anytime. Talk to you soon.